Hi, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. And I'm even wearing my Christmas Grandma Rudolph sweater shirt thingy that I got from Macy's. Anyway, I thought it would be fun today to look through Melissa Forti's Christmas baking book. Now, I don't know who she is. I'm still new to cookbook blogging, but when I did a reel for this cookbook, people lost their minds and were like, "Whoa, Melissa Forti's Christmas baking book!" And they were so excited. Says celebrate Christmas with a bounty of delicious desserts and cakes inspired by Italy's delectable baking tradition. Aha! Italian baker Melissa Forti presents 70 recipes from small treats to spectacular cakes and Christmas breads that will appeal to aspiring and seasoned bakers alike. Owner of a charming tea room in her hometown of Sarzana, Forti brings her modern sensibility. Ooh, tea room owner. Cool, this is going to be really fun. Let's take a look. By Presto, and I believe it came out in, oh, I love the end papers. Beautiful. This book belongs to, I'm going to write my name in there, Carrie, because I'm not giving this away. Ooh, pretty. And it's expensive paper. I appreciate that. Okay, starts off with some Christmas decoration. Picture of her holding one of her creations. Pretty and Christmassy. Pretty Christmas to you. I think she likes vintage fashion, clearly. Oh, this is pretty. This is one of the prettiest table of contents I've seen in a while. Large cakes and showstoppers, small treats, other bakes, and more, Christmas breads and other pastries. Okay, that's nice, but let's save the pictures for the food, right? Oh, she's wearing an elegant back gown. Large cakes and showstoppers. A galette des rois, cake of the king. Beautiful. I like making galettes because they're kind of forgiving. Here's more pictures of her decorations and wrapping supplies. A Christmas pavlova. I've never tried to make one. Have you? That's beautiful. The font is a little small for those of us that need reading glasses. I definitely would need it to read through this recipe. But if that makes room in the book for these gorgeous photos, okay. Ingredients, introduction, history. Ooh, food history, love that. Method, a little bit complicated. A zuccato florentino. Ingredients, a little bit of food history. A croquembouche Italian style. Okay, I can't show you every page of this book, so I'm gonna go through and find some of the best ones. La la la, lots of beautiful pictures. Paris Brest, here she is checking out one of her cakes. I think she must have a very nice wardrobe and she wants to show it off. Good for her. Semifreddo alle nocciole pralinale. I don't speak Italian, but I can try. Eggnog orange layer cake. Ooh, that sounds complicated for me. Lots of chocolate going on, and another picture of her. Okay, red velvet cake. You can't have a Christmas holiday cookbook without a red velvet cake, right? I've never had the guts to light sparkler firecrackers on top of my cakes, but you can go ahead and try. And then here's a random picture of hazelnut apples, so some food history. I always love that. Oh, tangerine curd cake. I'm not going to show you winter coconut cake. Okay, here she is serving a cake to a statue. Not sure what that has to do with this book. Okay. Oh, torts. Beautiful, beautiful. This is gorgeous. I can't wait to get off camera, no offense, and go sit down with a cup of tea and look through this slowly and leisurely. Baked Alaska my way. Chocolate stout beer cake. My boyfriend has claimed he wouldn't like to try that, but he loves beer so much. He loves cake. He loves chocolate. What's not to love? Here's a trifle. I'm not sure how to find the next chapters, but I do have to show you this beautiful amaretto something jello mold. Beyond Comangiare. Don't know how to say that. Here's the new chapter. Small treats, other bakes. So this whole section was all just showstopper cakes. Awesome. Small treats, I think, are more along the lines of what I could handle making, but a holiday steamed pudding is not as easy as we think. Praline mascarpone. Or is it mascarpone? Someone that speaks Italian, feel free to correct me nicely in the comments. Some other beautiful. This needs to be a coffee table book, but I might have to get a copy to put out for people to get their grubby hands on when I can safely have visitors in my home again. With the situation. Vegan marshmallows. Oh, cool. I am vegetarian and I can't eat marshmallows, but I'm not vegan. But as long as there's no gelatin, I can. And we're getting into Decadent chocolate squares. Yum. Is that a fancy word for brownies, or is it more mousse-like? It's more mousse-like. I can tell by the ingredients. Cookies, eggnog. I'm not an eggnog fan, but I get that a lot of people are. I would probably just buy it. Lots of Italian chocolatey desserts. Nice. It's hard to photograph chocolate and not make it look like junk on a plate. They're doing a good job of it. Here's a bonnet. That sounds very French. Oh, a marquise au chocolat. Yes, very French. Okay, just basically chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. A budino. I love budinos. A tree-shaped. Oh, I have a tree mold like that too. Ooh, brandy custard. Okay, let's keep going because I can't show you the whole book. I'm gonna tear myself away. Oh, champagne jelly. That looks fun. That actually looks fun. Can you make it vegetarian? Where's the next chapter? A sherry cake. Where's the next chapter? An orange cake. I love that for after that time between Christmas and New Year when you're done with peppermint and eggnog and chocolate and you're just like, can I have something refreshing? Orange and polenta cake. Very Italian. This is awesome. I love this cookbook. I'm so glad I bought it. Espresso Freddo. Now we're getting into Christmas breads and other pastries. Okay, we know what Christmas breads look like. We know what those like. Rum cake. Sienna. Here's a black kitty. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Of course, you have to have panettone. Panettone. Mini Pandori. Cute. Oh, I am a huge fan of this book. That was super fun. I'm going to turn off the camera, cuddle up in pajamas, get some hot cocoa, lace it with brandy, and look through this leisurely. You can pick up Melissa Forti's Christmas baking book all over the internet. I'd prefer if you bought it via my Amazon affiliate link. Thanks for watching, and you can see more cookbook look-through videos at Cookbook Divas website, and more on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. Bye, and Merry Christmas.